Good morning, everybody. It's me, Lisa Severy, and this is my pal, Bruce. Isn't he adorable? He's the cutest thing in the world. Bruce, do you want to have your chakras cleansed? Come see Aunt Lisa. Lay down, buddy. Look at that. He's like, yes, I will. Okay, let's clear out our chakras. Thank you. So we go right to the crown, and we just give it a little rub right here. And we say, let all that energy be cleansed. See you doing it with me. And then we go to the next one. And we just cleanse it out. Oh, thank you so much. Reach with me. Great connection. And then we go to the next one. And then let's let it out. And then the next one. Yeah. All right. And then we just put our hand over the bottom belly and say, let it out. Look at that smile. Cleansing the chakras. And you could also grab their pads and do a little light rub. There we go. Release. Next foot. Thank you so much. Release. Oh, yes. Let it out, Bruce. Such a cooperative client in his Reiki treatment. Animals love it. See how they interact. He's such a healthy, amazing little dog. He just said, Aunt Lisa, give me that extra loving. And I said, okay, bud, it's on. Chakra cleansing it is. And that is our session. And this is the happy client, Mr. Bruce. Can you say namaste? Say namaste. All right, everybody. That was just a little bit of chakra cleansing by me, Lisa Severy. Look at that smile. That's how you know you have an amazing energy right here and that the chakra cleansing was a success. If anybody's interested in having their animal worked on, you can just give me a call at 207-336-3835. And again, that's Lisa Severy at All Walks Under the Moon. God bless everybody. Have a great day. And as always, stay hydrated. Same for the pooches.